If you're in the market to buy a home and are sitting the sidelines due to a higher interest rate and high home prices, you may want to take note of what I'm about to tell you. Right now, many markets are experiencing a drop in housing values, which creates an excellent opportunity for you as a potential home buyer. As the amount of housing inventory increases in some markets, the shift begins to move to your benefit as a buyer, as sellers have to be more creative if they want to sell their home in a competitive market. This is great news for you as a homebuyer because in this environment, sellers are more willing to work with you to help you get a lower rate by paying points or closing costs or even contributing towards a buy down mortgage, which can save you literally thousands of dollars. Now, if you're not familiar with that type of mortgage loan, I'll provide a link to a video that explains how it works at the end of this one. With uncertainty in the market, you also have to be ready to strike from the sidelines, and that means you must get pre-approved by a lender now, as there will be swings in mortgage rates that you can take advantage of, but only if you're already pre-approved with a lender. Now, being pre-approved puts you in an advantage, as you'll be able to quickly respond to a market drop because you will have a mortgage professional who is watching the market, contacting you the moment the timing is right. Let me give you an example of taking advantage of a market swing. Recently, there was unfortunate market news of a couple of banks who made some bad long-term investments and ended up failing. The market reacted to this news and sent the 10-year Treasury average down. Now, this in turn affected the fixed-rate loans, as mortgage loans are tied to this financial instrument. So if you'd been pre-approved at that time, you could have taken advantage of this unfortunate market news and secured a rate at 0.5% lower than the existing mortgage rate, which would have saved you tens of thousands of dollars over the years. So, will you be ready for the next market swing? You will be if you take this simple advice to get pre-approved now by supplying any necessary financial documents to a licensed mortgage professional. Speaking of mortgage professionals, I have the pleasure of working with and personally training licensed mortgage professionals across the United States. Now, the following individual on your screen is one of those professionals and can help you obtain a pre-approval for a mortgage in your state. They are ready to assist you with any questions you may have regarding the process for pre-approval or purchase of a new home. So to connect with this licensed mortgage professional, look in the video description below where I've placed all of their contact information from phone number, email, and web page for your convenience. I know they're eager to speak with you and can be a great resource for you. Lastly, as I mentioned earlier, there are other ways to take advantage of the market turn by having home sellers participate with you in your financing options. So be sure and check out the other recommended videos you may see on your screen. And if you like this video and want more, be sure and hit that like button and subscribe. And don't forget to look for that contact information in the video description below to be introduced to a licensed mortgage professional in your state. Best of luck. I'm Uncle Aaron, and I'm out.